The Machine and Hoops Options tool in the Customize toolbox provides a way for you to select your embroidery machine and hoop. Hatch can create designs for just about any home machine format you can name. Now, we have 5 places in Hatch where we can set our hoop and machine. One is in the Customize Design toolbox. We have the drop-down menus here on the Context toolbar. We can also use the Options button here on the Context toolbar. These are available when we have nothing selected in the design window. You can also right-click on the hoop button on the main toolbar, and one more place is in Software Settings, Embroidery Settings, on the Machine and Hoop tab. Selecting your machine and hoops has been updated in Hatch 3. For most brands, instead of trying to find your particular model in an ever-growing list, all you need to do is select the brand, for example, Brother, and then choose single or multi-needle, and then select your hoop. Now it's going to show all the available hoops for what you've chosen. Now it's slightly different with Janome and Elna. If I pick Janome, I need to pick my machine model. And if I have an 11,000, it shows the hoops that are available for that model. If I have a 350E, it shows the hoops that are available for this model. So I'll go back and I'll pick Brother Machine, and I have a single needle, and then I see all of these hoops. Now what I can do here is I can click on Options, click on Add Remove Hoops, and I can select all the hoops that I don't have, and let's say they're these, and I can move them to the Available Hoops list. It doesn't remove them from Hatch, it's only removing them from my list. And I can double-click on hoops to remove those. And I'll see that I don't have these 3-position hoops, and maybe I don't have that hoop. So if I've narrowed my hoop list down, I'll just click OK again, and now the hoop list only shows those hoops that I have. Now you may have a machine that is not in this list, or you may have a hoop that doesn't exist in the master list. You can add those. If we go to Options, we have the ability to create a new brand, and you can create your own hoops. We'll cover that separately.